Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to create a removable USB device group in Endpoint Data Loss Prevention settings for Microsoft Purview. I will just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal, and in the previous video you know where to go, like purview.microsoft.com. You click on home, and if you don't know how to reach out to settings, you click on settings, you click on data loss prevention, and you will, oh my bad, I need to go do it again. DLP under settings, endpoint DLP settings. You scroll down and you will see removable USB device group. Now how to create it and why is it used. In here we use this setting to define groups of removable storage devices such as USB thumb drives that we want to assign policy actions to that are different from the global printing actions. For example, say you want your DLP policy to block items with engineering specifications from being copied to the storage devices, except for designated USB connected hard drives that are used to backup data for offsite storage. So we can create a maximum of 20 groups with a maximum 50 storage devices or removable storage devices in each group. We can use some parameters to define the removable storage devices, like storage device friendly name, USB product ID, vendor ID, serial number, device ID, hardware ID, right? So when you come under this setting, click on create a USB removable storage device group. You need to define a group name G1, right? Or do it like this. You add a device here. You give it an alias, right? So enter a name to identify this device in the storage device group. My friendly USB device name. If you want to give, click on details, fill in the device property ID, or if you want to specify it, just check those boxes, right? These are the parameters that you need to define, and enter the name. Okay. Like I did for this instance path. Get this information, right? Click on add, mention anything, right? One. For the lab purposes, click on save, and then you can close it. Now the most common use case for creating a removable storage groups is to use them to specify which storage devices users can copy files to, right? So you can block these USB to your devices, but if you want that you would allow the copying of company's data to generally copying is only allowed for devices in a designated backup group. So after you define a storage device group, you can use it in all of your policies that are scoped to devices. So this is what you can do in terms of this endpoint data loss prevention settings. I hope this was informative for all of you. If you need any further settings or settings for me to make videos on, please specify that in the comment section. Else you can check Microsoft documentation and do the lab on your own. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.